Well, it is officially day number 3. I am walking to Disneyland today. My dad is not with me right now. Riding this a little bit solo. Today is the only day that we have for Magical Hour, which for people that have never been to Disneyland means if you are here for the specific day, you get in an hour early, and you get this if you spend more than 2 days at the park. You get a Magical Hour for your ticket. That's what I'm doing today. Hopefully it allows me to get on a ride, at least one, and it gets me in an hour early, so that kind of helps us out. So I had to walk from our hotel to Disneyland. I'm not exactly there yet, but we will be there in just momentarily, a 10 more minute walk, and yeah, hopefully we can ride like Peter Pan or something. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. It's been a while. I've kind of been not vlogging too much today just because I've been kind of writing some solo stuff doing for Disney Adventure things, but one thing is this. This is the chicken. The Plaza Inn chicken. The chicken that is the chicken dinner. You are skeptical. Think it's not. Go ahead. Give it a shot.
Very good.
I told you, man.
Not greasy.
Did I hype it too much or what? Or is it like exactly?
Yeah, that's good. That's really good.
If you're ever at the Plaza Inn, like next, kind of off Main Street before Tomorrowland, you gotta get the chicken dinner. Green beans, mashed potatoes, biscuit. You get like 2 big pieces, one little drumstick. But it is well worth getting. So anyway, I'm gonna eat this, and then we're gonna go and do some more adventures and whatnot. Hopefully I do more vlogging. I'm gonna try and not forget that. Here's some Mr. Lincoln stuff. Not the show, but what's in the building. Check it out. been a long day. I haven't vlogged much today. Even though it seems like I haven't done much today. I did a lot today for the Disneyland Adventures thing, video game. Did it all for that. There's some highlight videos and sprinkled in amongst this vlog, but for the most part I didn't talk that much. But I will leave you with this. We are at the Penny Arcade, and here you can get the chocolate dipped pineapple, and this is amazing. You got some ice cream though.
Salted caramel sundae.
Salted caramel sundae, which looks like there's a lot going on there. But I'm gonna take a bite of this. Have you had this before? Oh, you should try a bite of this. But it's very like messy, so here we go.
Are we in the vlog?
You are in the vlog.
That looks bomb!
It's very
Happy
good.
Disneyland!
Thank you. This is so good. For $8 though. It's $8. But it's good. You just gotta go, yeah. Just skewer. Yeah? Yeah? It's awesome. I will tell you though, I'm not a fan of dark chocolate. I hate it. Unless it's on this thing. You can get this over in Pooh's Corner though. Funny enough.
Who's calling?
But that is what I'll leave you guys with for this little part. And then we'll say our goodbyes for day number 3.
Signing off.
Yeah, but I guess we can do it now. That's gonna be it for today. It was a long day. I've been here for like 12 hours. But tomorrow is gonna be even worse because it's a Star Wars special. So we'll be here till 1 a.m. and we'll see how that goes. So anyway, see you guys in the next video. Good night, everybody.
What's up with it?